Okay guys, I'm back again. I wanted to show you guys some products that I picked up from Ulta. You're gonna see the first impressions video. This is gonna be this look that I'm wearing right now. But my Ulta haul actually got deleted. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the things that I purchased from Ulta as a whole. I feel like since I filmed it already, I've already put everything in its place. I'm really hoping I'm not missing anything. Start with skincare. From Ulta for skincare was this from Ulta Beauty. It's the nightly brightening pads. This is going to be something that I'm going to love to use at night because I broke out a little bit. Be something that lightens up all the dark spots and things like that, so that's going to come in handy. I also picked up this Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil micellar water. Now that was something really cool that I found. I never seen coconut oil. I never seen any coconut. Gimme. Seen any coconut oil micellar water before, so I thought that that was something really cool. It softens and it said that it's gonna restore your skin. So this is what that looks like. Another thing that I got from Shea Moisture is this matcha green tea and probiotics transforming clay to cream cleanser, and this is for, it says redness prone skin. So this is going to be something, it's something cool to use. It's really thick and it turns into like a really nice cream. So the next thing that I got was from two things that I purchased were from Skin Food, and this is the peach jelly soothing gel, and this is like the Asian skincare brand. Let me kill one of these lights so you guys can see. There we go. So this is they have the aloe vera gel one and it's really popular, so I wanted to go ahead and try out the peach one. Another thing that I got are these Rice Daily Brightening Tissues. Anything for brightening, I'm all for. I picked up these Rice Brightening Cleansing Pad wipes, like I said. So I can't wait to use these. That's it for, oh no it's not, one more thing for skincare. I got this pore cleansing brush, and this is a dual brush. It's blackhead and pore clearing brush, and it's from the brand called Noonie. Now I'm gonna link it down below. I did a huge haul of some skincare, Asian skincare, because that was basically like my forte. I love Asian skincare. Their skincare is so advanced in Asia, so I definitely love the Asian skincare products. And the last skincare item that I picked up was this e.l.f. Daily e.l.f. Daily Face Cleanser, and it leaked. I wasn't even able to use that yet, so. As far as makeup now, I end up getting this Becca by Becca, Chloe, and Malika collection, and this is a highlighter, and let me show you guys. It's cute, but to be honest, the packaging is pretty cheap for it to be a Becca product, and it's cardboard. So there's like a little sponge in here, and then it's like X and O's and hearts and stuff, which I used it and it really wasn't that pigmented, but I swatched it on my hand. So I'm gonna see what it works with. I'm gonna see what it's working with when it comes down to putting it on my face. Another thing that I got is this Makeup Revolution Banana Deep. Focus for me. This Banana Deep setting powder. So that's something that I wanted to try. It's a baking powder. Another highlighter. I have this Makeup Revolution highlighter in Strobe, and this shade is in Gold Attic. This is a highlighter I'm wearing today. $2.99. Super amazing. Two concealers, and they're open because I just used them today. I got the Almay Clear Complexion Concealer, and I also picked up the Maybelline Better Stay. Is this Maybelline? Yeah. Super Stay Better Skin Concealer as well. Another concealer that I picked up as well was this Full Coverage Concealer in Fluidity, and this is just the Morphe white concealer. I used it today to make my glitter pop a little bit, but I think that I'm going to use these more for bolder colors, like colorful shades. I picked up a little mini in Ruby Woo, and this is what I'm wearing right now. It's really cute, super matte, and I truly do feel like this is going to last all day. And that I picked up was this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I've been looking everywhere for this putty primer. I'm going to let you guys know by the end of the day if this primer is worth it or not. It kind of was a little bit oily, so I'm going to let you guys know. So far my face looks really matte, and to be honest, I did not even use a setting powder or a face powder on my face today, and my skin looks really, really matte. The next thing that I got is a NYX 3-step contour kit right here. And this is obviously what I'm wearing on my face today. Didn't use the highlighter, didn't use the bronzer, but I did use the contour. That's the only thing that it's good for my skin complexion. And then I also picked up a Bowing Coverage Concealer from Benefit. So this is what it looks like. Okay. And let me see what else. Oh, from the makeup brush department, I already took this out the packaging. Like I said, I already put this stuff away when my footage got deleted. Avie, give it, mama. Look at this, y'all. Kids. It's this 4-piece e.l.f. brush set, and this is the Flawless Face brush right here. Oh, she hit her head. Please don't cry. Angled blush brush, highlight fan brush, and this is they consider this the highlighting brush, which that's, yeah. And this 4-piece brush set was $14. And lastly, Avie, give me this. Lastly, I'm going to show you guys the foundations that I picked up. I ended up picking up quite a few foundations. This is what I'm using today, the Insta Filter. And to be honest, it is Insta filtering my face, my blemishes, my everything, honey. It's the Revlon Photo Ready Insta Filter Foundation. My shade is in Caramel, and I got 3 of these, and I just busted open today. And then I also got one of the Almay Best Blend Forever foundations. And then I got 2 of these Revlon Candid foundations, and these were on sale for $2.79. So for my beginner beauty babes, this is definitely a sale that you will want to shop. And the crazy part about it is it's not even a sale. Ulta always have things that's on sale, and I always just go in there and pick up what I like. And what I really wanted that was on sale. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave those in the comment box below, and I would love to get all your questions answered. And I would see you guys in my next video. Bye.